my feet?
Get your hands out of me.
But it's so warm. Ah!
I thought he was gonna fart out of
What is this below? Hannah, are you laying eggs again?
There's a light. It doesn't work. It's just for decoration.
Why? What'd you
Cause there's look at the red light. There's a hole in it.
And then I had told Hannah
It burned. I don't know.
and then I had told Hannah to get out my butt.
But she really was. There's no light bulbs in it.
I know.
Yeah.
Should
Fix that.
No, that's not. But if my hand got stuck.
Oh, Hannah failed. I heard it.
Look at my fat legs. Look at my ankles. You want to be uncomfortable again?
Can I turn this off? Are you just ready?
What's that happen when you get raped?
She's not getting raped.
Who are you trying to? Whose back are you trying to rape?
I don't balance that.
I do.
Why are you so mean? Stop being mean.
Eric, don't hurt her.
I like a pony.
My ears so crazy. Are you videotaping me? Yes, she is.
I want to go back.